Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Starling Bank and fees for withdrawing cash abroad. One of the great features of Starling Bank is its fee-free approach to international transactions. When you use your Starling debit card to withdraw cash from an ATM abroad, the bank itself does not charge you a fee. They pass on the MasterCard exchange rate without any markup. However, there's a crucial point to remember. While Starling doesn't charge you, the ATM provider in the foreign country might. These are separate fees set by the local bank or company that owns the ATM, and they are outside of Starling's control. You will typically be warned about any such fees on the ATM screen before you complete the withdrawal. To avoid these fees, it's always a good idea to research which local banks in your destination do not charge for foreign card withdrawals. Also, when prompted at an ATM, always choose to be charged in the local currency, not in your home currency, to ensure you get the best exchange rate. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.